Hi, today I received my baby grooming kit. It comes in this little gray and blue hard case. There are lots of different items that comes in it. There's a comb, nail clippers, a nail file, tweezers, a brush, thermometer, and nasal suction, a curette with a light, medicine dropper, and some nail scissors. It comes in this great little case that has a holder for everything. I recently became a grandmother, so this is going to be such a great product for me to be able to use with my grandson.